look at anchoring junction. This includes several types of cell junctions that actually help stabilize the epithelial tissue, right? Hence the name, anchoring. They're common on the lateral and the basal surfaces, which makes sense. Obviously, you want the anchoring at the bottom and you want it on the sides to keep things very stable and strong. But it also provides flexibility. Now, there are 3 types of anchoring junctions. And I don't know, when I look at this picture, it reminds me of aliens, because they're these like finger-like projections or whatever. But desmosomes are the top picture that you see there, and they occur on patches on the membranes of cells. And these patches have structural proteins on the inner surface of the cell's membrane. And there's an adhesion molecule very characteristic of desmosomes called cadherin, and it's embedded in these patches. And what it does, it has these finger-like projections that you see that look very alien-esque. And what it does, it comes out and links with other molecules, basically holding everything together. Now, hemidesmosomes, which you see at the bottom, are very similar to desmosomes, but essentially they look like half a desmosome, right? They've got these finger-like projections, but only on one side. And these link to extracellular matrix, for example, in the basal lamina. So, they're just going to need this projection on one side because the other side is connected to basal lamina. Now they're obviously very similar to the desmosomes, but one distinct difference, obviously you can see the difference being that it looks like half of a desmosome, but the other difference is that instead of cadherins, it has a different protein called